Bloom is aimed at two kinds of user. First, the person making books and other publications in their language. This user will make use of a template such as Basic Book to easily build a nice looking book with text and pictures. Or they might use a shell book and translate the text into their language. As an analogy, this first person's role is to add books for their language to the shelf for their language that you might have seen in the overview video. The second kind of person using Bloom is the shell book creator. This person is not filling the shelf for a specific language, but is instead providing a shelf full of books for the first kind of user to use as source texts. Videos in this series will be labelled to show which of these people they are providing training for. The training for people filling a vernacular bookshelf is also needed by people creating shell books, as the way all books are edited in Bloom is the same. There are additional training videos which are only needed for shell book creators. Videos in this series which are aimed at the first user will have a check mark next to the words "Making books in my language." Videos only needed by the second user type will only have a check mark next to the words "Providing shell/source books for others." When you first start Bloom, Bloom asks you a question which relates to which role you are playing. If you are filling the shelf for a specific language, select Vernacular Collection. If you are filling the shelf of shell books, select Source Collection. Pause now to think about which shelf you are filling, as this will help you select which videos in this series to watch.